Hiccups. He's so cute, his little hiccups.
It's him a lot.
Hey, little man. Say hi. His little hands are doing their thing. Hi, little man. What you looking at?